This is about the labels feature in the Cloud Retailer mobile app. This does not trigger the immediate printing of a label. This puts a label into the queue to print labels, which is accessed through tools in the back office of Cloud Retailer. So you do need to verify what user is signed in to the Cloud Retailer mobile app and verify that is the same one you're looking at in the back office. To add an item to the queue, all you have to do is make sure that you've got the cursor in the barcode spot, scan an item, and then you can choose how many labels to add to the queue for that item. Hit add, and then you're ready to add more items as desired. Then you go into the back office, into tools, and the label queue, and that will allow you to print those labels.